Hi again, everybody. This is Lulu. We're going to put brakes on a 2011 Kia Soul front brake pads. So, do it myself again. I've got all the necessary parts and I want to show you how far I've got so far. So, I've got the car jacked up and I got the tire underneath for safety because I don't have a jack stand. And then I've got all my components to my brakes laid out right over there. And I had to use WD-40, a little bit of it, on the bolts for the caliper because they were a little stuck. So I got my WD-40 right there. And over here I've got my socket set. Now I didn't have a 14" socket, so I used a 9/16 instead, and it worked just fine. And I've got my caliper hooked onto my shock so that way it doesn't stretch out the brake line. And so far I've got the old brake pads off. They're pretty worn, so that's why I needed to replace them. And I've also got the old brake clips off. And I've got the new brake clips and the new brake pads over here. And you can see a lot better brake pads. So as you can see, there's the caliper, there's where the brakes go, and I've got my C-clamp to push the caliper back in, and we'll see you in a minute.